Hey, hi. It's been a while since I've recorded my last YouTube video. I've been told that the first minute is quite important for viewer attention, so I'll quickly introduce myself. My name is Kshitij. I'm a 22-year-old firmware engineer who works at an IoT company in Pune. I am a batch of 2025 graduate. I have done my bachelor's in electronics and telecommunications. Originally from Mumbai, I've been in Pune since my college started, but I'm sure you guys don't really care about that. The point of this video, to save you guys some time, is that this particular video is a log of me being assigned something at work which I am absolutely blown away by. And I know that I'm going to look back at this video in about a couple months and realize how stupid I'm sounding once I get familiarized with the entire project and its scope. But yeah, that's the whole point of this video. It's for me to have this artifact in the public domain that I can look back at, at some point of time in the future, and hopefully look back at this with some pretty positive memories. So let me tell you what the hell do I mean, and let me basically elaborate, right? So it's about 4 a.m. in the morning. Uh, I haven't slept all night. Uh, the reason being, I honestly don't know. It might be insomnia. It might be just mania. It might be me going practically insane. But what is driving me insane, or what is this thing that I've been assigned to do that is driving me batshit crazy, basically. So what am I assigned to work at, right? Um, the company I work at is an industrial IoT company, right? So we have a product which is a smart energy meter. What does that do? It measures the consumption of energy at any device that has been installed in within an industrial setting, and it is capable of delivering the data that it has read, that it has collected, to a cloud server, right? And once you have data onto the cloud server, I know you guys understand what happens next. You have insights, you have predictions, you have a whole bunch of stuff that is very beneficial when it comes to running a business, right? Now, the electronics of this smart energy meter is something as follows. It has a dual MCU architecture. There are two ICs which are a part of the entire electronic circuitry. One of them is a Cortex M7 based MCU. One of them is an ESP Wi-Fi chip, right? The Wi-Fi chip essentially has the sole function of publishing the data to the cloud, and the Cortex M7 chip does the actual energy energy readings, the whole set of a whole another bunch of stuff which I'm not sure I can actually speak on a video, but that's why I'm a bit hesitant and a bit picky with my words, right? And the cool thing about this is that there is a TFT display that has been integrated with the energy meter, and it comes with a joystick. So the task that I have been assigned is to take over the embedded graphics which are being displayed onto this TFT screen. What the hell does that mean? I'll explain. So, from the software point of view, this energy meter runs on an RTOS. There are a bunch of threads, and a few of these threads are responsible for the entire display and input onto the TFT screen. So the TFT screen basically is a way for the users to interact and interface with the energy meter, and the joystick acts as the mouse, right? So there are a bunch of videos, a bunch of settings that can be controlled and can be enabled or disabled using the joystick. And my task is to take over and then further extend the embedded graphics part of all of this. So for those who know how microcontrollers function, and much more importantly, the hardware that is present within a microcontroller chip, there is not nearly enough flash memory present on a MCU chip that can handle no embedded graphics, that too while running a goddamn RTOS, right? So what we have done is there are external memories that have been interfaced with the main MCU chip, and one of these memories acts as the graphics memory for the TFT display as well. So what my work is going to do, what my work is essentially involving, is the entire pixel coloring, window management, the whole drawing of textures and windows and numbers, and then getting the input of the user from the joystick controller, doing a whole bunch of functionality, designing a custom UI or a custom window that has to be displayed onto the TFT touchscreen. And keep in mind, all of this has to happen in a real-time operating system. So I have to keep in mind multi-threading. I have to keep in mind the like graphics buffers, shaders, and all of those stuff. The graphics middleware that we are using is something called Touch GFX. It's a embedded graphics design studio that gives you certain template codes of the designs that you create. It's a very cool middleware layer that generates the entire project output in C++. C++. That is the biggest worry of mine. So, during my college, in my fifth semester, I did take up an elective which was object-oriented programming, and it was being taught in C++, extensively in C++. And that was the one elective and the one subject within my college which I was very very passionate about, and I gave it my all. I ended up scoring really good. I scored about 72 out of 80, which is considered a decent score when it comes to a college exam, right? And the point of me saying this is, in that one semester, I had a very good grasp of how object-oriented design works and how C++ works, right? The only problem is that semester ended a year and a half ago. I haven't touched a single line of C++ code in a year and a half ish, right? And I so yesterday basically, I saw the entire code and the implementation that is already existing, already present of this whole embedded graphics part. It blew my mind away, guys. I don't know how I'm going to do this, and that's the whole point of me making this video. This log is for me to look back at in a couple months time when I've had enough time and practice with C++, and when I have executed a whole bunch of tasks in this new project that I've been assigned to. And I want to keep a record of just how scared I was, because I haven't slept the entire night, and I'm not going to sleep the entire next day as well. So it's been, it's going to be a whole lot of espresso shots, a whole lot of coffee to not fall asleep in the office, because it's about 4:30 a.m. now. I'm not sleeping a fucking wink, guys. I'm going to show up to work tomorrow at 7:38 a.m. and I'm going to spend the entire day till 6 p.m. wrapping my head around the C++ implementation of the embedded graphics library. And I'm scared because it's been a while since I've worked with C++. It's been even a longer while since I've worked with object-oriented programming. So for any of those of you who are curious, what the fuck does this guy work with? I work with C. I work with embedded software, not with C++, and certainly never have worked with graphics. I've never done app dev, web dev, or mobile app development. Nothing of that sort. So yeah, that's the whole point of this video. It's a log of me being very very scared of what's coming, but also there is a bit of an element of hope, if you can call it that, if that makes any sense to you guys. Hope for what, right? Hope that if I do this, if I spend the next month or two banging out C++, learning how embedded graphics works. I believe that it's damn near November now, right? So November and December, I believe that these 2 months to close out 2025 would be the best time I've spent in the entire year, because the learnings that are going to come out of this project that I've been assigned to, that I've been assigned to take responsibility of and then extend at work, the learnings are going to be insane, because the chance to do embedded graphics in a multi-threaded environment in a C++ project. And a small detail I missed out, the product that this project is associated with, it has been deployed, I believe about 4 lakh units. So the scale of the product is massive, to say the least. And that's even more scary, right? Because one fuck up in the code that does not get caught in the testing and gets caught in the production could wreak havoc. So I'll have to be extra precautious. I'll have to be extra thorough with the things that I learn and the things that I implement. And yeah, I just wanted to get my thoughts out. I don't know what to say, guys. I don't know how to end a video if that wasn't apparent enough. It's all the videos I've posted here, anyways. But yeah, let's see how it goes.